Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through how to withdraw money from Exodus wallet to your bank account, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Exodus wallet app and make sure you have a crypto balance like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Step 2. You can't withdraw directly to a bank from Exodus. So, you'll first need to send your crypto to an exchange like Binance or Coinbase that supports fiat withdrawals. Step 3. Open your exchange account, let's say Binance. Go to Wallet greater than deposit. Choose the same crypto e.g., BTC, and copy the deposit address. Step 4. Back in Exodus, choose the crypto you want to send, tap send, and paste the exchange address. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Once it arrives in Binance, go to sell or convert your crypto to fiat currency, e.g. USD or EUR. Step 6. Now go to Wallet greater than withdraw. Select Bank Transfer and enter your bank details. Step 7. Confirm the withdrawal. Your money should arrive in your bank in 1 to 3 business days. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials.